Okay, the white and black sheep. The small little lamb. Oh, that's the money. Okay, this little lamb. The one is sick. This little lamb. Okay, there's a transaction between the farmer and the seller. There's black and there's little two lambs. There's a sheep. White sheep is bringing into the market. There's a white goats around here. Okay. So white goats. And the little lamb. Look at that. And the other one. Small lamb. This is brown goats. Baby lamb. It's a big one. There's the other one. The big goats and lamb. Someone bring the goat.